But if you ever fall down straight to the bottom and you can't get back where you started, any place, any time, you gotta know for you, I'll fight. Ooh, 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 I'll fight. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. This is how to play I'll Fight by Daughtry. The song was requested, so if you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments, alright? And yeah, the song is not super difficult to play. I'm going to show you a pretty easy way to play it because I do that for beginners. I want you to be able to play it and sing it at the same time. Okay? So before I do that, before I get into it, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have other if you have questions or and stuff in the comments, and please let me know if you have other songs you want to learn. Okay? So let's get into it. Capo on the first fret and standard tuning. I was asked to do it without a capo. I don't know how to do it without a capo. All right, so you can do it without if you want. You'll just have to sing a little bit lower. All right, so and people might not notice. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to play this now. So I'm going to show you the chords first. I'm going to show you the strumming pattern and then where you play the chords with the chorus and everything. Okay, so you're going to do D minor. Okay, so D minor, you're going to put your pointer finger. All right, goes on the first fret on the little E string. And you're going to put your middle finger. Okay, like that. It goes on the second fret. Everything is in relation to the capo. Second fret on the G string, and then your ring finger goes on the third fret on the B string, and then I'm muting the top E string. Okay, that's D minor. You're also going to use F. Okay, so F, this is a hard one for people because it's a bar chord, all right? So I'm going to give you a couple tips on this though. So you should be, the way you're supposed to play it, is put your pointer finger on the big E string, bar the whole thing, ring finger on the third fret on the A string, pinky finger on the third fret on the D string, and then your middle finger on the second fret on the G string. Okay, but if you're having a hard time barring the whole thing, just kind of don't like slam it down, like don't really slam it, but just kind of rest your finger on the rest of them and then push down on that E string. That way it'll at least kind of mute those other ones. Or you can just kind of play it like a power chord. It just doesn't sound as good because you'll play those ones at the bottom, okay? So at least mute them. All right. And also, if you're having a hard time putting your middle finger down, just put the rest down, because that's easy, that's like a power chord, and then put your middle finger down, so like that, okay? Some people think when they're learning they have to put all their fingers down at the right time, exact place at the right time. That would be good if you could do that, but when you're learning, just kind of get to the point where you can get to the chord, all right? So that's F. You're also going to do C. All right, C, ring finger goes on the third fret on the A string, middle finger goes on the second fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the first fret on the B string. Okay, you're also going to do B flat. I'm just going to show you a rip-off way to do this because I want to make it as easy as possible. So you're supposed to do it with those three fingers and just do it like B, except for one fret higher. Okay, I'm not going to do that for this tutorial because I want you to play. I just want to help you play an easy way. So just play it like a power chord. All right. Pointer finger goes on the A string on the first fret, bars across if you can, at least hit the other strings, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the third fret on the D string, your pinky finger goes on the third fret on the G string, and that's it, okay? So you do. Okay. Now, I mean, the difference is very slight if you're doing it the actual way. You can hear it a little bit. All right, just not quite as flat, but it'll work. All right, so you're also going to use G minor. So for G minor, you're going to put your pointer finger, goes on the third fret in relation to the capo. All right, on the big E string, and you're going to bar that, and then you're going to put your ring finger, goes goes two frets down from that, so it goes on the fifth fret on the A string, and your pinky finger goes on the fifth fret on the D string. Okay, and you're supposed to bar that. You're only going to play that chord a couple times in the song, just in the bridge, all right? So now, here's how you play this song. Okay, so you're going to start with D minor. You do D minor, F, C. Okay, and you stay on C, and you do C, C, D minor, B flat. Just like that, okay? D, so you can't, the easy way to play this if you want, this isn't exactly how they play it, but it's just up, down strumming, just totally alternate strumming the entire song. You could do that, all right? You would just do... just like that. You could play it like that. That's actually how I'm going to recommend you play it while you're singing, especially if you want for the beginning part, you'll play D minor, so you're going to do D minor, up, down, F, up, down, C, down, up, down, up, okay, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, okay? And then you'll start over and you'll go C, D minor, B flat, down, up, okay? Like that. Now, that's if you want to do that for the intro. That's actually how they play it like throughout the song, but I'm just gonna, for our purposes, we're just gonna do the alternate strumming. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm just showing you guys the easy ways to play it. So you do D minor, F, C, C, D minor, B flat, C, sorry, and then you start over. Okay, so you just do D minor, F, C, C, D minor, B flat, and you're gonna do that twice with no lyrics. Okay, then when you do it with lyrics, I would just recommend playing it a little bit softer. I wanna see you run. Okay, so wanna see you run anywhere you want. Okay, so you're gonna start, I wanna see, C is where you're gonna start with D minor. I wanna see you run. So you're just doing that quick from D minor to F. See you run. And F you're only staying on for a second. C, U is where you're gonna do F, you run. Run is F, is C, run. Anywhere you, okay, U is D minor, you want is B flat, okay? Want, never let, okay, never let, right, it's gonna be, let is gonna be D minor. Never let the darkness hold you, okay, hold you is F, hold you back. Okay, so back is gonna be C, back. No fear, you're gonna keep doing C on no fear. No fear of getting is D minor, getting lost. Lost is B flat, okay? Flat, lost. I wanna see you. Okay, U is D minor, you fly. Okay, you fly, you're gonna do you fly. It's gonna be, start with F, you're gonna go to F to C real quick. You fly, then you're gonna stay on that. Way beyond. Beyond is D minor, beyond the sun. The sun is B flat, the sun. Anything you're ever is D minor, ever gonna is F, gonna dream is C. I pray, you're gonna stay on C. I pray that it is D minor, it will is B flat, will come. Okay? So then what you're gonna do when you get to the chorus then is you're gonna do, and then I would just play it louder here is all. But and so you're gonna go, you end on that C, and then I would mute like that. You don't have to, you could just let it ring out still, okay? And then you're gonna do, but if you ever, and you're gonna start with B flat here, okay? But if you ever, and then on fall, you're gonna do B flat. But if you ever fall down straight is F, straight to the bottom and you, okay, then after you, you're gonna do D minor. Can't get back is C, back where you started any place. Place is B flat, place any. Okay, at the end of any, you're gonna, like on any, here's where you're gonna do F, any time. You're gonna know, right, no is D minor, know for you. After you do C, you, and then you're gonna do mute or let it ring out if you want, but you, I'll fight. And then when you do the ooh, so you're just gonna start over, you're gonna do B flat, I'll fight, okay? I'll fight. All right, so B flat, F, D minor, C, Then you're just gonna go straight into the next verse. All right, so you're gonna do where you wanna go. So just start doing D minor, F, C. All right, and just do it. The second verse is like the first one. For the second chorus, the only difference is you're just repeating what you already did in the first one. So when you do so you're just gonna keep doing that same exact pattern. All right, so you're just gonna do B flat, F. If you ever fall down straight, F straight to the bottom menu, D minor. Can't get back, C, back where you started with no is B flat, no strength to F, stand. You're gonna reach is D minor, reach for your hand, your C, your hand. When the going is gets is B flat, gets rough, right is F, right when it's hurting I will. Then B is gonna be D minor, B be there to help. Okay, help us see, help bear the burden any place. Place is B flat, place, any time. Time is F, time. You gotta know. No is D minor, no for you. And I'm singing it too low, but I'm just trying not to be super loud for people. But low, or sorry, no for you. Okay, you're gonna, and then you're gonna do C and mute. I'll fight. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'll fight. Okay. Excuse me. So, then you're gonna play just B flat on any time, or any place is B flat, any time is F. You gotta know. So you're just repeating that part. No is D minor. No for you. I'll fight. And then you're just gonna play B flat, F, D minor, C. And then you go to the bridge, you do D minor. Anywhere you go. Okay, so anywhere is D minor. Anywhere you go. Go is C. Go, you're gonna find, this is where you do G minor. Find me. All right, you're gonna do G minor. Remember that one? So G minor. Find me no matter what you need. Need is B flat, need. If you ever fall down, and is gonna be F, and you can't get back, okay? You can't is gonna be D minor, can't get back. Back is C, back. If you lose is B flat, lose your strength. Strength is F, strength. To stand is D minor, stand. And you're just gonna do C after that. And then you're gonna go into the chorus right after that. You're gonna do. But if you ever fall down straight to the bottom. Okay, and you'll just do the last chorus. The way you'll end the song is you're gonna do I'll fight. Just like that. Or you could mute it and go I'll fight. Like that, okay? You're gonna end on a C chord. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun teaching this to you and learning the song. I hadn't heard it before, but I like it a lot. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.